Hello everyone, welcome to Groovy Sauce, and today I'm doing an unboxing and review of the NUBWO G07 gaming headset. This thing was cheap, this one had good reviews on Amazon, so I decided to check it out. So we're going to go ahead and do an unboxing and review right now. Okay, so before I get to the unboxing, I'm just checking out the box a little bit. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and pull this pull tab so I can get inside of the box. There we go. And the first thing that I'm pulling out here is just this plastic bag with all of the literature, 3.5mm cable, charging cable, and dongle. Now I can actually get to the bag that holds the headset itself, and also inside of the bag is some protective bubble wrap, which is really nice. Once that's out of the way though, we can actually get to the headset, and there it is, everything inside of the box. Moving on now to a closer look at the headset. As you can see, there's a good amount of flex there, so it should be able to fit your head really nicely. There's also a good amount of cushion there in the earmuff portion. The same thing can be said of the arch portion. It honestly does feel very comfortable because of these features. Also on top is some suede and the NUBWO logo, which honestly looks really cool. Moving on now to the mic. The mic can adjust and stay to whatever position you want it to be, whether that be up, down, left, right. It will simply just hold wherever you want it. Next up on the back is the power button. One click turns it on, and there is also a volume wheel, which will adjust and stay to whatever position you want it to be. Next up is the charging port, and there it is right there. Next up is the 3.5mm jack, just in case you want a wired connection with these headphones. And now moving back to the front is the mute button for the mic. One click turns it on and off. Moving on now to the overall comfort and fit of this headset. I thought it was really great in the comfort department simply because of the amount of cushion that you get in the earmuffs and the top arch portion of the headset. Even over a long period of time, it felt really good. Also, the adjustments here are really great for somebody with a big head like me. If you do have a big head, don't worry, there's plenty of adjustments to be had here. Overall, everything in the comfort and fit department was really great here overall. Okay, so now I'm just going to be testing out the mic. Check 1 2, check 1 2. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. And while this isn't the best microphone on earth, it is actually pretty great, especially whenever you figure in that this is a wireless mic. I only really need this for whenever I'm streaming games on YouTube anyways, and for those purposes, this is actually pretty great. Moving on now to the audio quality from this headset, and it is honestly some of the best audio that I've ever had in a pair of headphones, and that's even taking into consideration that these are wireless. If you're looking for some great audio coming out of your headset, this is honestly a great option, and I would get these again simply because of this fact. Moving on now to some final thoughts before I close out the video. First off is the excellent design and comfort of this headset. I thought the build quality here was pretty amazing, and the comfort factor here was pretty amazing as well, even after a couple of hours of gaming. Both of these specific points really impressed me about the headset. Moving on now to the excellent wireless connectivity. Throughout my entire time owning this headset, I've never had a dropped connection, so if you're looking for an option with excellent connectivity, this certainly seems like it would be a good option. Next up is my absolute favorite part about this headset, which is the sound quality of the headphones. They were simply amazing, and even in wireless mode they sounded great. If you're looking for great sounding headphones on your headset, this is simply something that you should consider. And now moving on to some criticism about the headset, and that's the mic. And while the mic isn't the lowest quality mic in the world, it's also not the highest quality either. So while you won't be getting professional level audio here, you will be able to record yourself fairly clearly. Just keep that in mind before you consider this headset. Alright everybody, that pretty much does it for this unboxing and review of the NUBWO G07 wireless gaming headset. I hope my video gave you enough insight in order to make a proper purchasing decision here on this headset. Also, before you go, make sure that you give me a like, of course, if you like the video, and subscribe to the channel if you'd like to see more content from me. I don't always do these types of reviews. More often than not, I'm doing food reviews, barbecue videos, and that sort of thing. So if you'd like to see that, make sure that you are subscribed. I also have a website, groovysauce.com. Everything that you do there helps out me and the channel. All right, everybody, thank you very much for watching, and hopefully I will see you next time.